This portion of the tutorial will be done through audio only as we await approval for Schwab to use their screen grabs and interfaces. Allocations. Importing allocations. Most firms of size will be making block trades using their master number, either through the Schwab Pro on the bond, mutual fund, stock, options, or other desk, and/or they've done the allocation themselves through the buy on their master, maybe for a bond. And now it's time to allocate so that each account can get whatever share they were entitled to based on your previous program from Asset Planet, the bond program, stock program, ETF. There's a variety of trades that can be done. And at this point, your top left-hand corner button, Allocations, select Unallocated Block Trade, should show one or more. Click on that button and then match it up to the trade that you're trying to fill. That trade will be in your trade log folder created by Asset Planet. We name them each year, so trade log 2022, 2023, etc. And then we suggest you also verify the process on the bottom corner. Use the Schwab verification process, double, triple, until you're really comfortable, quadruple check. But everything should match up perfectly, and then after the trade's done, check again.